You're welcome to my channel today once again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can revive a dead document like what you're seeing here. This is a document, and this document you can see deaths. The document is like it's as good as dead because the document is dated and there are write-ups all around it. So we want to make this document to come back to life, to make an original copy out of it. So I'm going to show you how you will do just that so that your document will appear as neat as possible, the way it's supposed to be. That is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video right now. But to proceed, I would plead that you subscribe to my channel. If what I'm doing is good to you, you go ahead to subscribe to the channel. And this particular lesson I'm teaching today, I also beg that you don't misuse it. Use it ethically as you work on documents. So let's get right into it. So what we need to do is to first of all, I've already scanned it, but if you haven't done so, you can use your phone to scan it. You can also use your scanner to scan it, and then you open it with Paint. I've already opened it with Paint app, and Paint app is also an incentive from Windows. Once you install Windows operating system into your device, automatically you have Paint app. So it's there. You can simply search for Paint and it's going to display. So this document you are seeing here right now, we can see that it is not clean. We want it to be as neat as possible without typing it again, without creating a new one. We just want that old one to come back to life. So let me show you how you can do that ethically. So let's go ahead. First, I am going to zoom out and then crop the image so that we can get the exact areas we want to work with. So I'm going to select these areas and then crop. So this is exactly what we're working with right now. So let me zoom out so that you will see clearly what I am doing. So what next I'm going to do is to remove this write-up that we don't need. So you see what I did. What I'm going to do is, once you have this sign, this plus sign, to get that plus sign, you go to home and click on select. So once you select, you drag here. I don't want to simply select this and delete. I don't want to simply delete, oh sorry, so that this white area will appear. No, that's not what I want. So I'll simply, as if I'm selecting this empty space. When I do that, I will come here. Either you Control C, that's copy and paste, then you carry it and place here, or you simply select this and then come here, use it to replace this. We no longer have it again. Just follow me. I'm going to show you also how to clean this page because it's not as white as this. It's not as white as this. So I'm going to show you how you will clean it up so that everything will appear original. Everything is going to look as neat as possible when we will move down to Microsoft Word. You know, we are not typing it. I'm just going to copy and paste it to there at Microsoft Word, and then that will be the end of it. When I will apply a particular feature that will cleanse the work for you. So you see what I'm doing? I'm just replicating exactly what I did, but you can see this little white here. It doesn't really matter. You can leave it. It's not going to show because I'm going to the future. The next thing I'm going to do will clean it. It's going to be better off than what you're seeing. So I'll go ahead to cover this. So here we have our U. We have something that covered our U. This line is covering our U. So what are we going to do in order to get a much cleaner U? So I will show you what to do. Just keep watching, you will see what I will do next. I'm going to take this U here because everything here are the same character. I'll copy and then carry it, use it to replace this U here. Our U is neat right now. Sorry. So here I just copy an empty space, bring it here. I'm gonna bring it here, use it to replace this. So that's it. Let's see if we have it. We have it here, so I'm going to copy this it. I'm going to copy this it, carry it and place it here. Place it here. That one is neat. So I'm going to go ahead to cover this area. Our off, that O and F, we have something covering it. We already have off here. So we go ahead, copy this off, then carry the off that we copied, that we pasted. Let's see. Let's locate first where we need to cover that before we paste, because this is paint, we need to be careful with it. I'll use this off to cover this off, and you notice that this is leaving a sign, is leaving, showing some. If you simply print it this way, it's going to show that this thing was copied and pasted from somewhere. So you can just apply a little formatting here so that it's going to look like what you already have there. But that is not just all. When I finish this, you are going to see that this is just an original work. We're just working with the paint app. So let's go ahead to remove this, and as we do it, we want to be careful that we don't cut off any area that we need. So that is gone. Let's see, is there any other thing? Anything you see that is not part of our work, we get rid of it, we remove it without delay. So we have something like this dot, we have to remove it. We are doctoring it. Let's see, we're going to remove this dot so that our page is going to look as neat as possible when we get the end product. So do we still have anything? When the deaths are too many, this is exactly what you'll be doing. You are going to spend time doctoring it, removing all the deaths so that you can get everything clean. So let's zoom out and see exactly what we have done. We have succeeded in removing all the deaths and also the lines that were here. So we are going to go ahead to click on the select and select everything, copy, then head to Microsoft Word and paste it there. We have pasted it here in Microsoft Word. So if you want to increase it, you can then drag, but then if you want to be able to move it about to any angle, you can paste it in a text box, but I'm not pasting it here in text box. So for the sake of the demonstration, that is why I'm doing this. So the next thing I am going to do right now, while I have selected this, I head to picture format. Once you get to picture format, you see corrections. You click on corrections. This is where our document is. If you place it here, see what it gives you. It doesn't give us the exact format we want. But when we come here, you see what it gives us. Then let's go to this angle and see what it gives us. This one seems to be close to what we need. So let's click on it. Having clicked on it, let me zoom out. Okay, we have not finished yet. So we come back here and sharpening slash softening. So let's sharpen a little bit and see what it gives us. We have been able to sharpen. Our document is coming up. It's coming up. As we have sharpened it, it looks more neat. It looks neater than it's supposed to. Than it was. But then this literary passage, if you feel, because I didn't scan, I snapped, and that's why if you notice there is a bit um light, sort of shadow, sort of. That's why the left hand side is brighter, it's neater than the right hand side. So that's why it's better to use a scanner so that everything is going to be equal. So I'm going to use a text box to rewrite this literary passage. If you feel like rewriting it so that it's going to be straight, you can do just that. Literary passage. This looks neater than ever than before. So let's remove this line from shape, formatting, line, no line. So, and this looks sharper than the other one, so let's make it a little bit reduced, the sharpness. It's a little bit reduced, but this is not done yet. We have our work clean. It is clean right now, but let's try something else that will make the right hand side to add some black. Let it be a bit black. Let's go to color. Let's go to color. So here in color, you see recolor, you see color tone, you see recolor. Let's try this black and white. Let's try it and see what it gives us. You see, with that black and white, everything is as sharp as the page itself. So I'm going to go ahead to show you this page once again. So look at the page, what we just did. This is the page, and it's showing you the mirror color. It's showing, the mirror is displaying the mirror view because I am showing you directly from the camera. I'm not mirroring it. That's why it's showing you this. Then look at it, then you look at this. Look at this one. This is the one where we got it from. Let me bring it back to how it was. Look at it. Let me zoom it in so that you will see. You can see that. You can see this. And you can also see this one. So if this video is helpful, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, share the video, comment on the video, let me know your view, let me know what you think about it. But then please don't misuse this knowledge. Use it ethically. Thank you very much for joining me today.